My name is Darlington, Nwauju, spokesperson of APC in Rivers State. We want to condemn today's attack on our campaign venue at Nwauju, popularly called the Ojukwu Field, besides the Maiwan police station. At about 11:40 a.m. this morning, we received reports that the chairman of council came with a complement of some persons who were in police uniform and some thugs to attempt to stop the governorship campaign rally of the APC in his local government, that's Port Harcourt City local government area, but met very stiff resistance from our supporters of the APC who were already on ground at that venue. An hour later, two explosive devices, which were later confirmed to be dynamites, were set off against our supporters at the campaign venue, leaving 6 persons injured. In fact, one critically injured that required a surgery procedure on her. One Miss Hope Isaac from Unit 53, Ward 20, Kokoama in Port Harcourt City local government area. And so we want to call on the National Security Advisor, retired General Mongunu, who is coordinating security agencies in Nigeria. We want to call on the Inspector General of Police. We want to call on the DG DSS to make sure that all cottages of insecurity and political violence in Rivers State is weeded out immediately from Rivers State. Because what has happened today is a precursor to an unending cycle of violence. We wouldn't want our dear Rivers State to experience a rehash of what we saw prior to the 2015 general elections.